The origins of our company date back to 1972. The Klinker company is located in the central part of Poland, approximately 100 kilometers from Warsaw. We specialize in the production of the finest building ceramics based on traditional tested methods of production, fired at a temperature exceeding 1000 degrees centigrade. Our products are always made of blends of the best quality clay deposits. In December 2013, we launched a new production plant, one of the most modern factories of extruded clinker tiles in the world. We can produce 70 million thin bricks per year. Our tiles have different structures, colors and formats. Due to advanced technology, we have unlimited product development possibilities, whilst maintaining very high technical parameters. Many of our proprietary solutions in the field of clinker production technology and utility models are covered by patent protection. All our products are of the highest quality, far exceeding that required by European standards in terms of resistance to frost, chemicals, fire or compression. During use, our tiles do not release any harmful substances, which is why they are used both on facades and in interiors of houses. In addition, Klinker products are environmentally friendly and the production waste is recycled in 100%. Our tiles are also compatible with the majority of certified building insulation systems available on the market. Every year, we conduct many product trainings for traders and contractor companies. We cooperate closely with architects. Especially for them, we have created a texture base of our products as well as chameleon application, thus enabling the creation of new colors for clinker facades. Apart from unquestionable aesthetic qualities, the use of clinker thin bricks produced by Klinker is the most durable natural house elevation finishing method.